Hey guys, and welcome to another video. It's a Sunday, I'm feeling bored at home, and I haven't been in fresh water since I've been back from Trinidad a few months ago. I think I need that. I think I need a waterfall. So I took a drive, looked up on TikTok, and I looked for hidden gems. There is a waterfall in Lime Hall that I'm going to look for. Now, Lime Hall, apparently, I don't know, this is me exploring, it's in St. Anne's Bay, a little around that area. So I'm going to drive up there and look for this waterfall called Big River. Let's go. I'll drive through some kind of road here for Google, but it have a better road, more direct road. When you reach up, you look for this bus stop and you turn in. And you drive down here, and the road, the waterfalls down inside of here. It had two waterfalls actually, very close to each other. Big River, and it have a little place called Blue Haven. The Blue Haven guy, you know, he keeps the area nice and thing, and you had to pay for that. But, you know, once somewhere is kept nice and thing, I don't mind, you know, kind of contributed. Alright, so here we are. You have to drive down the road, and you'll come across this corner, and there's a little sign on that lamppost. Blue Haven. Let's go and check it out. So what is your name, boss?
Delroy, my name, you know.
Delroy?
Delroy.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when people come here, it's you that to check?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
So we met Delroy, as you saw, and we're walking alongside the river. And this is the contact information.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Alright, so that's the number.
Yeah,
so if you're coming up,
yeah,
you can give him a little heads up.
Blue Heaven.
Blue Haven. Nice.
Yeah.
It's really, really nice. Check this out. The bridge. So it has more river on top. Okay, so we saw that waterfall there. He's carrying me above even further.
Yeah. If you want to bring it.
Alright, so Delroy is taking me up. There is multiple waterfalls. Look at this one here. I'm climbing up. Gotta be a little careful. Check it out. Look at this little pool here. On the other post I saw about Blue Haven, they usually just show you the small other waterfall at the beginning. I'm trying to keep up, I'm trying to record, and they'll just keep coming up and up. There is a few waterfalls, and it ends in this big one here. Look at that. And there's another one over on that side. But check it out. Jamaica keeps surprising me. There's always some waterfall somewhere. Look at this hidden gem. All the people I've seen here so far are locals, so it has that vibe and very natural. Yeah, Del rushed up. I was kind of struggling to keep up. I'm going to take some time now and try to record these settings and think a little bit. So the big one I showed you, and if you just go around, look at that. Right there. Another little waterfall and pool. And there is another one. I don't know if you can see the edge there. It is just amazing. So check out the different levels. The big one, pool. There is another one here, pool. And it flows down. There's a little pool there. See? And then beyond that, there is an edge. Where is it? You see the edge? Yeah, there's an edge there and another pool right down there. Fantastic. Alright, so I like the bottom one here. Now further down is the kind of main one you see on Instagram. I don't know why people don't walk up here. It's so fantastic. Really, really nice. This is truly, truly a hidden gem that I don't think much people know about. I just can't wait to go, take a dip in it, and show you guys. So good. I'm so excited. I want to go and put my bag down, maybe run back out to the vehicle, get my shoes, my river shoes. Then I'll be able to go take a dip. Fantastic, that fresh water, woo, you can't beat it. Coming up going. Have a night, right here. Whoa, let me drop the camera. I bet I put this camera through all kind of thing, huh? Lord father. Get the big one there. I was just in that one there. Let's head up to the big one now. Have a climb up that little piece and then that's the big one. Big one. So we're up by the big one and there is a smaller one. What the guy told me, what Delroy told me is that because the leaves block up at the top, this one is usually the small one and that one is usually the big one, but it got blocked on the top. So let's go in and check it out. Headed in. It's a close to climb here. Yeah. Look at this little pool. Woo! That's the kind of biggish one there, as I said. But look at this. But look at this little cove it has, like water. Let me get in. Little cove of water. And the water flows right there. It's like a little private jacuzzi, of course with cold water. Jamaica, man. Look at that. Look at that. Such a nice place and there's not much people here. I just can't express how good this was. I really needed this fresh water, you know what I mean? Yeah, big falls. Excellent. Alright guys, so look at this shot. You're seeing all the different low waterfalls coming down. But I'm heading back out. I had such a good time here. I'm going to try to take a dip in that one out front, but it's kind of crowded, but I'll see if I can get a dip in it. That's the one everybody knows, but you really need to come up more, man. It has, you know, you're missing out on 99% of the good stuff here in Blue Heaven. Really cool. Have a part here that kind of climb over this log. I'm on top of it. Heading out to the smaller one out front. There is a lot of people by that one, so you know, I didn't really head into that one. But really nice spot. I recommend this to everyone. So I came to the waterfall, Blue Heaven. That's the number there. I'll put it up on the screen. and you come and check Delroy. It's really, really good. And the water feels nice. I feel nice and fresh now. Good for nature, right? Good for health. Alright, man. Anyway, man, thanks so much. I'll see you, man. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I'll be coming back, I am sure, at some point. As always, remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.